Hi, Carissa here with Team Wicked Wraiths of the Scare Factor. We are out here tonight at Pemberton Haunted Acres.
How's it going?
Hello.
You've been on the nice list or the naughty list?
Always the naughty list.
Then it won't be fun killing you.
I'm sorry.
If you're definitely on the nice list, I would definitely enjoy ripping you limb for limb.
I'm sorry. I'm on your team. Is this your dog?
I guess so. I don't know that.
Here we go. Hillbilly Mayhem.
Welcome! Hi. Merry Christmas! I like how you're reindeer. Thank you. Look at me! He's gonna get you! You can't go that way! Please listen to me! I'm sorry. Please help me! Please! Please don't leave! I don't want to die! I don't want to die!
The country addict is born for you!
But then I'll drink your blood, and then you'll hang forever.
I kind of like that. Oh, it's dark in here. And we got rats. Oh my god, we have rats. So gross.
Tasty.
Wow. Are you breathing your hands?
Fresh. Something warm. Delicious. Waddle in you.
You're creepy. I'm sorry.
Don't go too far.
Okay.
I'll let you express you on it.
Okay. Oh no, what happened to you?
Please help me! Please, we don't want to end up like that! Please help! Please help! Help us, please!
Goddamn closet.
Help! He won't let me go! Please! Please help me! I've been asking for so long! Please don't leave! Please don't leave! Please don't leave me! Say goodbye. You wanna bite? What happens when you eat Santa's cookies? Don't eat his cookies. Yeah. Say goodbye. Go ahead. Come on.
trespassing on my porch.
I don't know, but it's
I don't allow trespassers on my porch.
Your house is condemned. That's not good. It's
I
dangerous
don't
and
allow
unsafe.
trespassers on my porch.
It's
Get off!
fine.
Get off my porch!
We're in the porch.
Get off my porch!
Oh my god.
Get off my porch!
You can't go! Help me! It's moving!